Hey everyone, if you are looking for a WordPress theme perfect for your farm, agriculture business, or organic store, Argol might be the solution. Now let's overview of Agrol on theme forest. So first you can check uh, live preview at here. Uh, this theme provide five type of homepage. In home page, very attractive hero slider is available, and you have to just change your picture and it is ready for you. And at here you can show services, and at here you can show fresh product like mm, uh, like blueberry, strawberry, cabbage, elegant, etc. So it is very attractive. And at here you can show some FAQs. It is really awesome of FAQs at here. You can put many FAQs at here, and in this section you can show testimonial as a slider. It is showing as a slider, and in this section you can also put your gallery of your store, and it is also available as a slider. And at here you can also see you can also enter your achievements like 250 million growth, ton of harvest, happy client 98%, sales of our product. So you can add achievement section at here, and in this section you can add contact us info, and it is really awesome contact form and modern contact form. And in this section you can add your news, etc. Your store news uh, uh, will be or your farmhouse news will be at here. And this theme also provide some ready-made template like about us template. It is really awesome template, and meet our team template also available. So at here you can see all team at here, and they say all FB, etc. all information at here. And they also provide services template. So services template is very awesome, and with some slider, etc. And you can see achievement and FAQs and testimonial, and some brands, etc. at here. And they also provide two type of services base. First is this one, and second is with this style. So it is also awesome. And at here they also provide some videos, etc. So you can put video at here, and video will be open in the Lightbox. And at here they provide blog page, blog single page. And if you want to sell your products, farmhouse product, and all other thing, then you can also use their shop store. So they also provide shop, etc. um, and it is WooCommerce enabled, so there is no requirement of WooCommerce from your end. They already provide. And at here you can see it is single page, so it is very awesome, and with review etc, and with stock available, not available, some discount, and related products also with slider. And if you want add to cart etc, then you can purchase from here, and it is view cart, and it is cart checkout page. So you can see it is very awesome. You can also add coupon etc at here and proceed to checkout. And at here all information of checkout page and place order. And uh, before proceed order, you have to add some payment method in the WooCommerce section. So it is very awesome. And now let's overview other home page. And really it is awesome home page. Now let's check third home page. It is also looking very awesome. Now fourth home page. And last fifth home page. Also provide sticky header at here. So really it is awesome. Now let's just be installation part. Now let's go to installation part. First go to theme forest and purchase theme, and then download theme, and after that uh, install WordPress etc. So I am installing WordPress etc via WP CLI, so that it will be easy and very fast to me. Now our WordPress is ready, and yes, go to WP admin. Now simple WordPress is ready. Now check, go to your documentation part. So at the this is theme, and now open in index.html of your documentation part. So it is installation part, so we will install these theme one by one. So first they say go to admin panel and appearance theme, add new and upload theme. So go to appearance folder, theme, and add new and upload theme. And it is Agrol theme. Install now, but it is giving upload max file error. So go to your theme. First go to your permalink and change permalink as post name or other which you want, and then change your st-axis. So I am opening that project in my folder. So first add this project on my VS Code. VS Code, and now check st-axis file. Okay, I think permission issue. So give uh, give permission to your file structure. Now check and save again. Now it is added. Now go to st-axis file and now put now put all thing in st-axis, like upload max file size, etc. Try. Okay, now again go to your add theme, upload, and Agrol theme install now. Okay, it is giving host name, etc. So first go to config file and define fs method. Config file and define fs method at here. Expired. Okay, now install. Now it is activated, but I also recommend you should also install that child theme also, so that it will be helpful if anything come new feature in Agrol, then you can your custom development will not dismiss. Now our second step is done. Now check front end. Now it is looking awesome, but we have to set all thing like this home page, etc. Like this home page. So go ahead here, and now it is third step, install all required plugins. So click on begin install plugins, and there is lots of add-on at here. So click on plugin and it select all and click on install, apply. Now all plugin is installing one by one. Now Redux framework also installed. Now T1 wishlist also installed. Now installing WooCommerce. Now all plugin installed. Now click on bug action and click on activate. Click on activate. Now connect Elementor, so you can create my account or skip. uh, Already have account, connect your account, you can. So just connect and skip and skip. Now there is no need of this thing. Now all thing with Elementor is done. And check again if anything is missing. Click on activate plugin. And now last, click on activate Woo Smart Quick View. Now all is done. Now go to, now it's fourth step. Now install demo content in one click. So go at here and install demo data. Click on import demo data. It is available inside Appearance. Now you can if you want WP form etc, then you can check at here. And not want, then you can skip this check. So I want WP form, so I checked at here and continue and import. It takes some time. Now content is importing, and please do not hit refresh etc or back button, and wait and watch. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So do not refresh the page or hit button again. Now our demo installation is done. Now check site. Now it is coming same as coming in demo site. All things are coming same. And if you are facing any problem in installation theme, then comment below. In this video I explain everything about agriculture or farm business, from download theme to demo installation. And if you want video on any topic, then comment below. And if you want more customization of theme, then you can connect with me. In description I provide LinkedIn URL. At there you can DM me. I also provide URL of my website in description, so you can also connect with me. My goal is to hit 2000 subscriber, and your support mean the world to me. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching.